Native to the rainforests of Brazil and Bolivia, this stunning parrot is instantly recognized by its bright turquoise forehead and golden yellow face. But here's the shocker, they can live up to 80 years. That's longer than most humans in some countries. They're also incredible mimics, some blue-fronted Amazons. Can learn over 100 words and even sing entire songs in perfect pitch. And look at those clever feet. They use them like hands to grab fruits like guava, their favorite snack in the wild.